Hey, it's Todd Ault, and welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is ATS, or Alternative Trading System. Now, I know this near and dear to my heart because I was part of one. An ATS, or Alternative Trading System, is a venue electronically that allows stocks to trade, but they're not registered as an exchange like the New York Stock Exchange, the Intercontinental Exchange Family of exchanges, Chicago, Philadelphia, all the exchanges that are out there, the Nasdaq. These ATSs, sometimes dark pools, allow institutions to trade amongst themselves off the exchange, and a large portion of trading today is not actually on the exchanges. One of the old ATSs used to be Arca, and I was one of the first guys out there that had an Arca machine, Archipelago, which they called the Ready system at one point also. These systems, these ATS systems, allow you to trade outside the exchange. They're highly liquid. You can hide offers. One example of them that's wonderful is that you can say, hey, offer out for sale 100,000 shares, but only show 1,000. That means you're iceberging, or showing only the tip of the iceberg of what's for sale. These dark pools show up for institutions to buy stock without broadcasting their orders. ATSs are really critical, and they're an important part of why the volume on the exchanges is so large right now. If you're trading on Robinhood or Webull, I assure you your orders are being routed through ATSs or to Citadel or many other dark pools or agencies that aren't listing them on the exchange. Hey, as a side note, I was the founder of a private alternative trading system that traded private securities that were not issued on the market, but traded amongst private accredited investors. Today's word is ATS, Alternative Trading System.
Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Please subscribe and hit that bell below. If you think this video adds value, please share it with somebody. By the way, if you want to watch more Wall Street Words videos, there's 2 videos right here you can watch right now. There's new videos every day. Thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Always great things happening here.